How to fix Wi-Fi keep turning off on Poco M8. Let's start the video. If you want to fix this problem, so restart device. If you want to restart device, click power button and volume up button at the time and restart phone. After restart phone, you will see your problem is solved. If it not solved, so you will check your internet connection. Swipe down and you will check internet connection is work properly. Turn on or turn off. So you will see my internet connection is work properly. Go back, you will see your problem is solved. If it's still not solved, click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on more connectivity options and click on reset settings. After click on reset settings, enter your phone pin, click on next. After click on next, click on OK, you will see your problem is solved. So if it's still not solved, go back to home screen, refresh phone and click on settings app. Scroll down to end, click on additional settings. After click on additional settings, click on developer option. Scroll down and search media setting from here and click on media DRM settings and turn, you will see check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software, go back to home screen, you will see your problem is solved. So that's how you can fix Wi-Fi keep turning off on Poco M8. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.